Previously, we did demonstrations of RandomPIN enrollment and RandomPIN verification using the Twilio IVR. That was using our Demo Center app, which is effectively a way to trigger API calls using a simple GUI interface. What you're seeing on the screen now is our dashboard application. This, like the Demo Center, is included for all customers. This is a far more advanced GUI application. This is where we can do all of our administration, provisioning, reporting. And in fact, this ad hoc tool, the transaction summary, which is being shown right now, is what we're going to use to review what we just did in the earlier demos. You'll notice there's 3 items in the listing. I'm going to click on the first one. This is a transaction ID. We are a transactional system. So everything is considered one session being one transaction. So think of it as one call, one engagement. So during this one call, we did an enrollment. And if I click on this, we'll see that we have 6 separate items listed. These are samples. And in fact, we asked the user, which was me in that case, to repeat these 6 5-digit phrases. As you'll see, while I was doing that, this system was analyzing everything in real time. We found out that there is a certain number of seconds of usable speech. We found out how long the actual recording was. We did automatic speech recognition, or ASR, to do content checking, and we matched with a certain accuracy. We also were doing gender classification and scoring this for male versus female. In this case, it correctly categorized me as a male. We also do deepfake detection. So this is a real versus synthetic classifier. And once again, this properly classified me as being real. There's other alerts and responses, but this is just a simple way to show you that there's a lot going on behind the scenes. It's all happening in real time. It's all being recorded, and it's all available via our API. So there's no coding. It just automatically comes back in our response message. If we go down to the last item, this was the verification event that we did, we can see I was initially asked to repeat a sample 93175. If you recall from that demo, I spoke it backwards. It didn't have a good ASR match. Only 20% of it matched correctly. It went through and did all the other stuff, but it basically found out that the speech sample didn't match the pattern, meaning I didn't say what I was asked to repeat. This is helpful for automated systems to have some form of liveness detection, make sure there's not a recording being played over and over again. We trapped on that. We played a friendly response. We created a new random number, which I went and repeated properly. Once again, a strong ASR match, good score for the actual verification process itself. Once again, it identified me as a male. Once again, it identified me as being real. So, very simple review. There's a lot more that goes on in the dashboard, but this just shows you what was happening while we were doing the demo. Thank you.